Hello everyone, and today I'll be showcasing these three calculators I made. These three calculators are very creative and unique because they use items like diamonds to indicate the numbers instead of what you might have seen on YouTube like hexadecimal calculators or binary calculators. I'll be explaining how each one of these works after I showcase all three of them. And I'll also be explaining why I haven't made a divider yet after the showcase. So let's start with the showcase. First, I'll be doing the adder. Let's try 20 plus 44 to get 64. To put in numbers, we use this selector panel. The left side number is the tens place, and the right side number is the ones place. We'll be doing 20 plus 44, so we click 20 and 44. And if we wait a little longer, we'll be getting 64 items in this barrel, which we do. There we go. That is the adder. Next, the subtractor. We use it the same way as this one, but we need to make sure that we put the bigger number, or the number that we're subtracting from, in the right side. So let's do 20 minus 12, which should equal to 8. We'll put the bigger number, or the number we're subtracting from, in the right side, which is 20, and 12 in the left side. We should have 20 items in this barrel and 12 items in this barrel. If we flick this lever, the calculations should start, and we should end up with 8 items in this barrel. And look at that. On to the explanations. First, the reason why there isn't a divider in this video is because I wanted to post a video today, but I couldn't make the divider on time. It was so hard to build than I expected. But I'll be making a part 2 video showcasing and explaining the divider, and maybe some additional changes or calculators I might make. Anyway, on to the calculator explanations. This button panel I built is super easy to understand. When you press a button, it will activate the corresponding amount of droppers, allowing that amount of items to be dropped into the water streams. So if you click 1, 1 dropper will activate. If you click 2, 2 droppers will activate. The 10th place is easy too. It just takes however much items you put in and turn 1 item into 10 items. So, as you can see, there's this dropper, which is here, right here. And whenever you put 1 item, it dispenses 10 items, which will bring it to the container in the middle. Now onto the subtractor. The subtractor uses the same button panel. The two numbers arrive into these two barrels. The subtractor works by allowing this amount of items to go down this item hopper down to the hopper down here, or the barrel. Whenever there is an item going through, the comparator detects that. It allows the same items to go from this barrel down to here by unlocking it. So, as 12 items travel from this barrel down to this barrel, it allows the same amount of items, or 12 items, to go from this barrel down to this barrel. The items are currently traveling from here to here, and it's doing the same from here to here. And there's 12 items here. There's 12 items in here. Well, I guess one's in here. And well, that was 20 minus 12, so that should be 8. I wish I could do some animations to explain it better, but I can't. I'm sorry if it's not easy to understand. Anyway, on to the multiplier, which is super easy to understand. Let's try 5 times 2, which is just 10. But 5 times 2 is also 5 added 2 times. So we just select the number 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And if we select it, whenever we activate the redstone here, it allows 5 items to go through, like the button panels we used. And we need to activate this twice. So we allow 2 items to go through the counter thing we made. And every time it counts, it activates the number 5 here. And because it activated twice, we should get 10 items here, like so. We can do this in reverse. We can select the number 2 and do 2 times 5, which is 2 added 5 times. So if we select 5, we'll see this activate once, twice, thrice, 4 times, and 5 times, which should be, in total, 10. Oh, and there we go. So yeah, basically, it just activates this however times much you want to multiply. And, well, that is about it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.